For this lesson on layering, it's fairly similar to the last lesson on transparency, but we're gonna kind of see how transparency changes as we layer different colors on top of each other for this one. So we're gonna end up with like a grid result, kind of like the example on the screen. But your key, the key to making this work is letting your strips of color dry completely before moving on to the layering component of this. If you do not let your paint dry, you're going to end up mixing rather than layering, which is a completely different concept. So right now I've got just 3 bars painted on my paper. They're completely dry. If I touch them, they don't smudge, nothing happens. I've given them plenty of time to dry. And you can use as many colors as you want. I think it's easiest if you use kind of like every color palette in your paint pan. But it's kind of up to you to see kind of like different transparencies. So I've got red, orange, and blue here. So I'm going to layer different colors on top. So I'm going to start with a green, and I want to use like a medium amount of water, like the semi-transparent, semi-opaque kind of like color. So I'm going to go ahead and add quite a bit of water to that, and then you can do it a couple of different ways. You can like pull a line all the way through if you want to, or you can do it one at a time. I don't mind pulling through, so that's what I'm going to do here. And then you're just going to keep doing that for different colors so that you have enough color relationships layered on top of each other. So I'm going to use a different shade of blue from my pan for the next one. You can see how the layering on top of each color kind of changes it. That's kind of like a different shade of blue, and then it doesn't mix together, but you can kind of see the 2 colors working on top of each other. So that's our goal for this assignment. Layer as many colors as you can fit on your page, and then once you're finished with that, you can go ahead and upload a photo.